In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Ga4 GDPR compliant, with the General Data Protection Regulation laying out strict rules for handling personal data of EU citizens. It's crucial for website owners to ensure their Google Analytics for property is set up to comply. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this. First up, you want to head over to Google's homepage. Here you'll find a myriad of services available at your disposal, but what we're interested in today is specifically Google Analytics. So to get to that, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Locate and click on the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account and enter your password. Proceed through these authentication steps carefully. Remember, these are foundational steps ensuring that only authorized personnel can make changes to your Google Analytics settings. After successfully entering your details and clicking Next, you're in. Now navigate to the Google Apps icon, which is also located at the top right of the page. This icon is your gateway to all the Google services linked to your account in one compact grid. Clicking on the Google Apps icon will reveal several options, but the one we're looking for is Google Analytics. Go ahead and select it. You'll be directed to your Google Analytics dashboard, a powerful tool where you can access a wealth of data about your website's performance. Now to dive into the GDPR compliance settings, you'll need to go into the admin settings. You'll find this at the bottom of the page. This area allows you to manage all aspects of your Google Analytics account, from user permissions to data settings. Within the admin settings, look for the data collection and modification option and click on it. Here, Google provides the tools necessary to adjust your data handling in line with GDPR requirements. Next, click on Data Streams. It's in this section where your website's data collection methods are defined and managed. From here, select your web stream. This refers to the stream of data being collected from your website. Once you've selected the appropriate web stream, locate and click on Consent Settings. This is where you'll configure the way your website asks for and records consent from your visitors, a critical step for GDPR compliance. Within the consent settings, you'll notice options regarding ad measurement and ads personalization. For GDPR compliance, focus on the ads measurement consent signals not detected and the ads personalization consent signals not detected settings. By adjusting these settings, you ensure that your analytics setup respects user consent, particularly in scenarios where consent has not been explicitly granted. Lastly, you'll want to set up the consent mode. This mode enables your website to adjust its behavior based on the consent given by visitors. It's a flexible framework that Google has designed to help site owners respect user privacy while still collecting valuable analytics data. In summary, making your GA4 setup GDPR compliant involves signing into Google, navigating to Google Analytics, adjusting your data collection settings via admin settings, and specifically fine-tuning consent settings and consent mode for your web stream. It's essential to ensure these settings accurately reflect the consent given by your visitors, respecting their privacy, and complying with GDPR. With these steps, you can confidently manage your website analytics in a way that is respectful of user privacy and compliant with GDPR regulations. Take the time to review these settings regularly, as both your website's needs and privacy regulations may evolve. Remember, GDPR compliance is not just about avoiding fines, it's about building trust with your audience by treating their personal data with the respect and security it deserves. Thank you for joining me in today's guide on making GA4 GDPR compliant. Stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.